guys, there comes a point in every man's life where he needs to be a little terrified and a little scared of what might be happening. And I figure no better day than today to scare Graham. So Graham won't get into a car with me, and Graham has in the past, but the problem is he doesn't like the way I drive. So we need to convince Graham to get in the Corvette with me and go for a drive. I'll be switching the GoPro from the Sony camera, and we'll take the C8 Corvette out and see what we could do, because I don't know if we're gonna get him in the car, but if we do get him in the car, it's gonna be very entertaining. Let's go. It's important I'm quiet right now because it is very, very early on a Saturday morning and I don't want to wake up my neighbors. That said, the car is quite loud. We need to sneak down to the shop because I can see on the security footage, Graham is down there working right now. So we'll take the C8 Corvette down, be as quiet as we can, although it is not a quiet car, and see what we can do. Let's mount some GoPros first. To check it out, we have the black 8 on the back of the car here. We have the 8 up there and the 360 over there. All GoPro, of course. So let's take a moment to montage the C8 and we'll go find Graham. I also just wanted to take a moment to point out that yes, I am in fact the douchebag, as recently pointed out on Damon Fryer's video from DDE. I am the douchebag with the Lamborghini symbol on my garage wall while driving a Corvette. Had to point that out, but moving on. I also just wanted to point out, for anybody that says I'm abusing the C8 Corvette, I promise you GM did not put a mid-engine 500 horsepower V8 in the back of a car for it to be driven nicely. These cars are literally built to be bagged on. And I wouldn't even consider donuts, like in my personal opinion, bagging on a car. Is it? I don't know. Yes, it's bagging on it, but I think the only thing it's really hard on, in my personal opinion, you guys drop me a comment, let me know what you think. I think it's just the tires that are hard. Hey, while we're on the tire topic, let's get to the bottom of this for a second. Video I did in the Lamborghini Aventador, tag right here, doing the donuts, that video cost $4,000 to replace those 4 tires. Tire overhead through the roof. Like, subscribe, share the video, make sure all of your bells are on, because if you don't know, the way the YouTube algorithm works is YouTube takes the first 24 hours of the video, judges how it does, and that's how it decides if it's going to bump it up. That's why you see the big followers get more views faster. So if your bells are all on and you get the notification when the video goes up and you view it right away, it helps the algorithm. Let's roll. Graham, where are you? Somewhere in there. Okay, so a little backstory about this and why Graham won't get into a car with me. A couple of years ago, I'd fixed a friend's, actually I did the swap on it. He had a Mazda Miata, put an LS in it, big cam, heads, fast 102 intake, the whole 9, and a Miata, backed with the T56 transmission. I asked Graham to quickly go on a test drive with me to make sure everything was okay before I gave the car back. I didn't know Graham's not a good passenger. I just drove the car the way I usually drive and kind of ripped on it, but not even a lot, but 500 horsepower in a 2,000 pound car flies, right? So I told Graham that we're gonna go for a drive. I've never seen somebody yell, scream, and reach for a 5-point harness so fast. So Graham's like, I will never get into a car with you again. That was a couple years ago. Here we are, we're gonna try and convince him to get into the C8 Corvette today and see what happens. For those wondering, the powertrain in this car is completely stock. Yo!
How's it going?
What are you doing?
Oh, just getting ready for winter.
I need you to come for a ride with me.
I don't think that's a good idea.
What do you mean it's not a good idea?
Well, I don't want another Miata incident.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about Miata? No, I have a rattle by my seatbelt. I need you to come here.
A rattle?
Yeah, come over here.
Okay, hang on, let me get my jacket.
Okay. I actually think he bought it. We'll see what's going on here in a second here. He went to get his jacket. It is, like, for those wondering, it's 3 degrees Celsius today. I don't know what that is, but 32 Fahrenheit is freezing, so we're not much above freezing right now. Yeah, so I got a rattle over here.
The camera.
What's that?
What's with the camera?
Oh, no, I was just starting a series on Graham Found the Rattle. Yeah.
Grandfather rattle. Okay.
Grandfather rattle. Hey, listen.
Yep.
What were you talking about in the Miata? That was like so long ago.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I said I wouldn't ride passenger anymore.
Why is that?
Well, no reason.
No reason. There's a rattle over there somewhere. Can you hear it?
No.
No?
Like in the seatbelt?
Yeah, like when I turn the steering wheel, sometimes I hear a rattle. You're just kidding. We'll just go for a light cruise real quick.
A light cruise?
Light cruise.
Okay.
Okay. You got her. Attaboy.
Do I have to have the seatbelt on?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I don't know. I drive with it off, but you're not going to drive with it off. So, yeah. You want to hear anything?
No.
No? Okay. Well, we'll just go for a light cruise.
Okay.
I can get it.
Your air filter life is okay.
Yeah. So, like the Miata, that was how many years ago? 6 years ago?
How you go around this fast?
Well, I usually do 80, but...
Oh, God.
Can you hear anything?
No.
Nothing?
I can't. And there's nowhere to hold on.
You don't hear anything?
No, I don't hear it.
Okay, well, we can just... Did you hear a rattle?
No, my
No?
seatbelt locked. Which one's better?
They're both equal. I was turning my steering wheel over here and I could hear the noise, so there's might be over here. Yeah. Close to like
this.
What are you talking about?
Oh.
So sometimes I come over here and I can like hear my
God.
You know what I mean?
Yes. I am not a good passenger.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, I'll say I'm not a good passenger.
Oh, like if I come over, and like, you know what I mean?
Think of the tires.
Even the tires, like, so hey, like, how much do you think tires would cost for a Alright.
Oh my God.
That's pretty good, hey?
It does it very well. Does it very well.
Does it?
Yeah.
Did you find the noise yet? Because I never do.
I feel like I should close my eyes. I'm laughing, but I was scared.
I picked up a check engine light. I'm not sure why. Did you find the rattle in that seatbelt?
Well, I think it's not actually the seatbelt. I think it's the noise might be coming from your tires.
Is that what it is?
Maybe.
I'll let you in on a little secret. There was no noise.
Yeah, I kind of figured that out.
But hey, there is a check engine light. So if we could scan that real quick and see what's going on.
Yep.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
See what it is.
Yeah. Okay. What do you think the code is?
Ooh, I'm gonna say it's either gonna be oil pressure or something to do with the load exceeded or some weird code we've never seen before.
Yeah, it'll be a weird one. Like, but I'm thinking low oil pressure or hot tires. I would like to take this opportunity to mention the time I took an LS RX-8 out.
Yep.
Was doing donuts, melted the engine.
Yep.
And then I did it a second time.
Yeah.
Let's be thankful we didn't do that in this car today. All right, let's scan this thing and see what we got for code.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the scanner.
Got the scanner.
Right.
She's loading.
Right there.
Yeah, 2022 Corvette. We are loaded.
All right, let's see what we got here. Hey, I'd just like to thank the owner of this shop for the use of the scanner, and I would like to thank him for his updates that he's got a 22 Corvette on there.
Transmission control module requested malfunction indicator lamp illumination invalid configuration.
Neither one of us guessed that.
Nope.
Oh boy. Here, try it this way a little bit. You got a glare there. There you go.
Transmission fluid pressure invalid. Invalid data received from the steering control module.
That's weird.
And serial data. Safety performance.
There was nothing unsafe about that.
What? Yeah. So the steering and the transmission and the throttle did not like each other.
No. Let's see if it clears.
Oh, it'll clear. Actually, I want to see what the code is in the power steering control module first. Let's check that transmission again, make sure the codes are gone. Yep.
Cool.
Everything's gone.
Let's fire it up. And it's clear.
Yes. Instant oil pressure.
Instant oil pressure. Everything looks good. Hey, thanks for fixing my seatbelt today.
Yeah, you're welcome. Remind me never to do this again.
Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you do me a quick favor though?
Yeah.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, good stuff. Thanks for coming out.
Oh yeah, thanks for having me.
Anytime.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Also, I think this will be the last time I ever get in a car with you.
Oh, like promise? Hey, can I let you in on a little secret though? I just realized, because Bentley was the last one to sit here, the seat is all the way up and forward right now.
Yeah, maximum scary position.
Yeah, you can see the spacing in the back. Yeah, because Bentley has to be able to see, right?
Yep.
Cool. Thanks, bud. Enjoy work. Well, that's it. Thankfully, there was no damage done to the Corvette while we were spinning the donuts. That went pretty good, I guess. Pretty good. Could have done better. That said, the track is closed today. We just kind of sneaked in there when we weren't supposed to be. But nobody's hurt. And overall, you can't ask for a whole bunch more. Well, guys, we made her back. Do all the good stuff. Like, subscribe, share the video. Tell your friends. Tires aren't cheap. That was expensive, but it was a lot of fun. I mean, who doesn't like doing that? Maybe stick to snow though, so it's not so much money. And we'll see you guys on the next one.